tutorial video, I am going to tell you about how to use repeat command in Logo. So after this session, you will be able to understand what is repeat command in Logo programming language and how to use it. And when I say logo, I am talking about MSW logo, that is Microsoft Windows logo. Now, you will also be able to draw regular polygons using repeat command. So, what are regular polygons? That we will see later in the session. So, let's begin. So, in the screen given here, you can see that the 4 commands that we normally use to make a square drawing in Logo are these. We only repeat FT100 and RT90. Just an example. FT100 and RT90 commands we only repeat again and again to make a square drawing in Logo. So, if you see carefully, only these commands are repeating 4 times. So, rather than instead of writing the same commands over and over again, we can use a repeat command. It will work like a block, a repeat block. So, whatever commands we wish to repeat any number of times, we will put them under those repeat command and we will attach the number of times we would like the commands to be repeated. So, the syntax is that we will write repeat. This is the keyword. This is the keyword that is used in Logo to repeat a number of commands a number of times. And here in the bracket, the angular bracket, you can see we will mention how many times we would like the command to be repeated. And then in square brackets, then in the square brackets which are given here, we will just write the commands which are to be repeated. Okay. So, now let us see an example. So, for the same square which we were doing last time, I have written a repeat command now for making the same square, exactly the same square which we made last time. So, this time I have just used one repeat command to complete the drawing of this square. So, a repeat 4 times. Why 4 times? Because a square has 4 sides. So, we will repeat these 2 commands 4 times and then the bracket has started and then the 2 commands move forward by 100 steps and turn right by 90 degree. I have just written them inside these 2 brackets, these 2 square brackets. So, you can see the same drawing can now be made using only one repeat command. Now, so using this repeat command, now we can make drawings of polygons. So, what are regular polygons? When I say polygon, polygon is any closed shape having 3 or more than 3 sides. So, when I say regular polygons are all those closed shapes which have all sides equal and all angles equal. I am repeating again. Regular polygons are all those closed shapes which have all sides equal and all angles equal. So, using the repeat command, we can now create drawings of regular polygons like a triangle having all sides equal and a square, pentagon, then hexagon, octagon, and there are so more. So, this is just a general introduction about a regular polygon. So, all these are regular polygons having all sides as equal and all angles are also equal. Now, the problem is that whenever we will have to draw a regular polygon, how will we find out the angle at which the turtle is going to make a turn? For a square, it was easy because we already know that for a square, the turtle will always turn at straight line, and whenever 2 straight lines meet, they meet at 90 degree angle. So, that was easy. But what if we have to make a drawing of a hexagon or let us say a pentagon having 5 equal sides? How would we find out at what angle the turtle should make a turn every time so that it can make a drawing of a pentagon. So there is a trick, there is a small formula that we can apply to do that. And the formula is that we will divide 360. Why 360? Because 360 makes a complete angle. When the hands of a clock takes a complete turn from starting from 12 and coming back at 12, it makes a complete 360-degree angle. So when we have to find out how many, at what angle turtle will make a turn to make any shape, then we will simply divide 360 by number of sides of that shape. So for example, in case of a pentagon, we will divide 360 by 5, and the answer will be 72 degrees. So now we know that every time when the turtle will make a pentagon side, it will turn at 72 degree to make the other side. So now we can write the repeat command to make a pentagon like this. So let us draw it. Let's do it here only. So I am opening logo window. You can see here it's the turtle in the main screen, and then this is the input box, this is the commander window. So now I am going to write the repeat command. I already know that my turtle is going to make a turn of 72 degree right. It has to make a turn of 72 degree right to make a drawing of a pentagon. So now I am just going to write repeat command for it. Repeat space 5 times. Why 5 times? Because a pentagon has 5 equal sides. Bracket start, FD, let's say 150. It is not compulsory to take FD 100 only all the time. And then I am giving RT 72. 72 degree because we have just calculated it. Bracket close. So this is the drawing of a pentagon. Similarly, if we have to make a drawing of a hexagon, then the repeat command will become repeat 6, FD 150. This time for hexagon, the turtle is going to make a turn at 60 degree angle. Why? Because 360 divided by 6 will be 60. So accordingly, the drawing will be like this. So using this logic of dividing the 360 by number of sides of that shape, we can make regular polygons like octagon, hexagon, pentagon, decagon, and so on. So as hands-on activity, now you can all try to make different types of polygons on your own. I hope this video will help you in understanding how to use repeat command to make different types of drawings. And in case you have any queries, you can always get back to me. Thank you.